Hello everyone. Welcome back to USA Immigration and Visa. If you're waiting for a US green card, then you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into the latest visa bulletin for November 2024, covering all the important updates for both family-sponsored and employment-based categories. Stick around to find out if your wait time has changed. Alright, let's get started with a quick overview. The U.S. Department of State has just released the November 2024 Visa Bulletin. This monthly update is crucial for green card applicants as it shows how much longer you might have to wait before moving forward in the immigration process. In November, we saw a few changes in the family-sponsored categories, especially for Mexico and India. On the other hand, the employment-based categories remain unchanged compared to October. Let's break it down. Now, for family-sponsored visas. There were no changes in the F2A category, but some other categories did see movement. The biggest changes came in the F2B category for Mexico, which saw an 11-month jump. F4 category for India, where we saw an 11-month and 1-week change. For Indian applicants in the F4 category, which is for siblings of U.S. citizens, there's been some progress. The final action cutoff date moved forward by 1 week, now sitting at March 8, 2006. And the dates for filing advanced by 1.5 months to August 1, 2006. This category allows U.S. citizens to sponsor their siblings, along with their siblings' spouses and minor children. Now, what exactly is the Visa Bulletin, and why is it important? Think of the Visa Bulletin as a monthly schedule that tells you when you can take the next step in your green card application. The U.S. Department of State reviews the number of pending applications and updates the wait times each month based on the demand. If you're wondering about your options for advancing in the U.S. immigration process, there are two main paths depending on where you are. 1. Adjustment of status. For people already in the U.S., you can change your current visa to permanent residency. 2. Immigrant visa application. If you're outside the U.S., you'll apply at a U.S. consulate or embassy to get your immigrant visa. Next up, let's talk about the employment-based visa categories. Unfortunately, there aren't any updates in November. So, if you're in the employment-based category, you might still have a bit of waiting to do. Here are the major categories and where they stand. EB-1, Priority Workers, no changes for China or India. EB-2, Advanced Degree Professionals, also no movement, with India still at July 15, 2012. EB-3, Skilled Workers and Professionals unchanged, with India's date still at November 1, 2012. EB-5, Employment Creation, no movement for China and India either. This means there might still be a bit of a wait for applicants in these categories, but keep checking the Visa Bulletin for future updates. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into family-sponsored categories for other countries. F1 category, Unmarried Sons and Daughters of U.S. Citizens. Mexico saw a jump of 1 year and 10 months, now at November 22, 2004. F2A category, Spouses and Children of Permanent Residents. Mexico moved forward by 1.2 months, and other countries saw a 1.3-month advance. F3 category, Married Sons and Daughters of U.S. Citizens. Mexico advanced by 2 months to October 22, 2000, while India and other regions saw minimal changes. So, to sum it up, if you're waiting for a family-based green card, especially in Mexico or India, there's some good news with these updates. If you're in the employment-based category, things are a bit slower for now, but keep an eye on future visa bulletins for changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Immigration and Visa for more updates on immigration, travel, and everything in between. See you in the next video.